Hey guys, it's CJ, and we are inside my shop we were hoping to get some plywood, and cover up, kind of help finish the roof or the ceiling of the shop. But unfortunately, plywood is too expensive now. So what we're doing now is we're just trying to tack up the installation with some plastic and using some what do you call the shims, Uncle Simon? What would you call these pieces of wood? Just thin pieces of wood?
Yeah, just a wood strip.
Just wood strips to help hold up the plastic, because everything's just so expensive nowadays. So just kind of give you an idea of what we're doing.
Yeah, that's the only way we can do it.
Yeah, it's gonna have to work for now, because otherwise the insulation just keeps wanting to fall out. And then plus, if you try to put anything up here like we've got, then it will rub up against the insulation and tear it up like it's been doing. So we're trying to do something without spending a lot of money on plywood. Here's the first half, just about done. And then we got to pick this up and move some of the stuff that's over, like slide it over to get it out of the way. But looks pretty good so far, I think. Here's what the other side looks like before we've gotten to the put the plastic up. From all the stuff that we put, look, up in the rafters, it's just been scratching and tearing and ripping the insulation out. So that's why we're putting the plastic up. So it goes from this, see that falling down over there, to looking like that. So still got stuff in the rafters, but hopefully, with not going to hit the insulation and stuff like that. So alright, so here is kind of like the finished product of putting this plastic up to cover up the messy, ripped up insulation. We did have to fill in some areas, some spots of where insulation kind of like got ripped out and was no longer there. But he's finishing it up now. It's actually, this piece of plastic, we didn't think it was going to go all the way to the end, but it is. It's actually going to go right to the end. So almost done. I gotta tell you, Broody Mama has been a trooper through this whole thing. She's just sitting there keeping an eye on them eggs. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully they're fertilized, so it's not all in vain. But there's the geese. There's a few of the chickens. A few more over there. They're all over the place, but they're doing good. Camera's too slow, so I gotta keep my eye on this one. She likes to come in and eat the styrofoam on the walls. See all the styrofoam on the walls, how it's been eaten up? because they keep letting the chickens in here. Now I'm not letting anybody in. It's all clean. I've cleaned everything. The floor is still wet because I just washed it. So no, you're not coming in. Stay out. No, I see you thinking. Nope, not gonna work. Nope, keep moving. Keep moving. Let's go. Move along. Go on now. You better go eat something while everybody else is away. So skinny.